Well, howdy guys. Welcome back to another interesting episode of Scott's Speed Shop, and by interesting I mean you're not actually going to see a full-on regular video, and that's only because I don't have enough time to get one done. But I did find some pretty cool, interesting footage that Anna had filmed years and years ago, and by years and years I mean just about a year ago, of us the first start on that 340, and her phone actually picked up a whole different sound of the engine than my phone actually picks up. So I'm going to share that with you, because instead of spending countless time trying to get a video edited like I normally do during the week, we actually spent all this time packing and getting ready to head up to Mopar's in the park. And, well, I want to first apologize to everybody that I didn't put out some kind of announcement or something that I was going. It was kind of a last minute kind of decision that Dad and I were both like, well, it's not that far. It's not quite as far as Indy. And our good friend Ryan Barsness, who also has a YouTube channel, is going to very much accommodate us with a booth space and places to, you know, hang out, things to drink and all that stuff. So it was almost one of those things where it's like, yeah, let's go to Mopar's in the park. There's no reason not to. So that's kind of the plan. So I hope you guys enjoy this. And sorry about no regular video, but you'll see the 340 has moved and it's back together because I just need to edit this video for you guys. So I'm getting you amped up because it won't be long before we will be showing you guys the reassembly of this thing, and we'll get her right in the duster. And then of course we have other projects that are nearing completion and ready to rock and roll. So here's to it, guys. I hope you enjoy this one. And if I see you at Mopar's in the park, I hope you stop by, say hi, hang out for just a little bit, maybe buy something. That'd be freaking sweet, because I've got all my stuff, at least what I think, priced to sell. So hope to see you guys there, and if I don't, well, I hope you enjoy the video you're about to watch, and hope you enjoy everything that is to come and as far as the future.
Here's to it. Who's ready to listen to some great 340W two-headed solid roller cam tunnel ram twin 750 Holly double pumper annular booster tunnel ram cards? I'm running out of words here. Did I say W2? Did I say Mopar? Did I say awesome little small block with a way too much cam for street engine? But I did it anyways because, well, yeah, I'm great at making race engines for the street and street engines for the racetrack. So here's to it, guys. Hope you enjoy it and look forward to seeing you here soon.
Let's get this done.
Anna has an update for you. Anna, what's your update?
We got a steering wheel.
Uh-oh. We do have a steering wheel.
For
I don't know. It could be for any project that we got in our midst. I mean, you never know what it could be for. It could be for something sitting back there, right there hiding. It could be any of, 800 maybe?
oh my goodness.
You never know. You ready to see it, Dad?
I'm starting to get nervous.
As you should be. You ready for this, Dad?
I don't see no steering wheel. Yeah, it's steering wheel.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. You see Anna's steering wheel she's still working on?
These little sand.
Yep. I think you should perhaps turn around.
Oh! It's a dragster steering wheel.
Brian had the idea I should sneak that into the van and see if you noticed.
Well, that would be weird to drive the van. It already wanders all over the road.
See, that would make it even better.
Shoot, I'd be oversteering like a son of a gun.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
$50 on Amazon through Speedway. They got them in red, purple, blue, and green. I'm not sponsored. That was just the Amazon find of the night, and it also works as a hat. Seriously, take your hat off and it works as a hat. I'm not kidding.
I'm wondering if
Told you.
I need to put it on my lawnmower.
Hang on, I'm gonna need to take this still image because I did the same thing earlier with a picture of myself. Yeah.
You make a hat. You can make a brooch.
And for anybody curious, an original Superior 500 and the one from Speedway, the grip is much thicker, but that's an original Superior 500 little baby guy, just like this one. That's pretty neat.
That is neat.
I'm actually really happy with that. I figured the silver was the safest bet as far as color.
What colors did they have?
Well, I said, I know they got red, green, blue, and purple, but in the pictures it looks like it's silver flake, but with the other colors, and everybody was a little bit cautious, and silver's always a pretty safe choice, and I figured if nothing else, that'll be perfect in Project White Trash.
Yeah. Yeah, that'd be cool.
So you need a red one for the van now?
The van's good.
Okay.
Don't I have one? I mean, I already got a kind of a cool.
Yeah, you have one of my bigger Superior red 500s.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Well, good. This is safe for white trash then. Perfect. Because nobody actually really knows what we're looking at for white trash. Ooh, baby. We'll catch you all next time. Bye-bye.